Hey guys, it's me Anirban back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing a detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, also popularly known as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Actually, it was a requested video from one of my subscribers. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so previously I had already made the unboxing video of this particular Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. If you haven't checked it out yet, you will find the link in the description down below. You guys can check it out. So if you love watching my videos, then please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and please make sure that you share my videos with as many people as you can, because it helps me a lot to improve. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes in 5 different color variants. As you can see that mine one is cloud mint color, and you get 4 more other color choices, that is the cloud navy, cloud white, cloud lavender and cloud red. This device comes with 2 different storage variants. The first one is 128 GB and the second one is 256 GB. This device also comes with 5G connectivity along with 4G and 3G too as well. Samsung also provides the Samsung Care Plus, which protects your device from accidental damage or technical failure, but you have to buy all those packages separately. Okay, so those of you who haven't watched the unboxing of this particular smartphone can also watch that video by clicking on the link which I have provided in the description. But let me tell you what are the items that you will be getting inside the box. The first one is your smartphone, the second one is your data cable and the power adapter, and the fourth one is your ejection pin. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, also better known as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, as its name suggests, is made for those people who are fan of photography, gaming or filling their feed with all that inspires them. Samsung claims that they have designed this smartphone in such a great manner that you will not at all compromise after buying it. In India, this device is now available with the Snapdragon 865 processor. This is the phone that gives you what you want to do more of what you love. At the front side of this device, you get a 32 megapixel front punch hole camera. At the back side, you get a triple camera setup which consists of a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and the last one is the 8 megapixel telephoto camera along with an LED flash. Okay, so here at the right side you will find the volume rockers along with the power button. At the bottom side you will find the speaker grill and the USB Type-C port and the microphone, and here you will not find the headphone jack, that is the 3.5mm headphone jack is not present in this device. At the back side you will find the main camera, and at the bottom you will find some Samsung branding is done. I would like to recommend you all that those of you who want to go for the Samsung S series but want to save a few thousand rupees, then they must go for the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, as it will be a great choice and great value for money. Okay, so previously the OnePlus devices came with the 90Hz refresh rate, but here Samsung has done something bigger. They have pushed their limit to 120Hz, which provides you the most smoothest scrolling experience so that you can keep up with all your feeds. Okay, so actually this device comes with Android 10 out of the box, but later on, as you can see, that it has upgraded to Android 11. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a dual nano hybrid SIM card slot. It also supports wireless charging along with fast charging. The memory space available in this device can also be expanded to 1 TB. It also comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Okay, so if you are a content creator like me or just love to take photos and videos of nature and doing all those stuff, then this device can be a perfect buy for you, as this device comes with a fully enabled AI camera system which lets you to take a 15-second shot and your phone will do the rest of the work. Just you need to head over to your gallery section and you will find a variety of photos and videos and much more. Overall, the build quality of this device is very much premium, and it also comes with a pre-applied screen protector, which means that you don't have to separately buy one and apply it on your device. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a typical 4500 mAh battery that gives your phone the juice it needs to outlast your day, and it's intelligent enough to save its power when you really need it. And it also comes with an all-day intelligent battery so that you can play for hours on end. The speakers used in this device are very much premium in terms of crystal clear audio and also provides a very good sound quality. Because of its slim design and lightweight, it is very much easy and comfortable to hold it with your one hand and use it. It also is completely made of glass, and at the back side of this device you will find a frosted glass finish. Okay, so one thing which I would like to inform you all is that the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE belongs to the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup, along with the Samsung Galaxy S20, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. As I told earlier, the camera quality of this device is just awesome. It also comes with a 30x space zoom which lets you to zoom one side of your room to the other. The combination of the 3x optical zoom and the 30x super resolution zoom lets you get a very close and detailed image of the object. The 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 405 ppi and a screen resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. Moreover, this device flaunts a bezel-less punch hole setup and with an aspect ratio of 20:9. Here you will find different types of modes, that is the Pro mode, the night mode, the portrait video mode, the slow motion, the super slow motion and hyperlapse. The camera quality of this smartphone is just awesome. Here are some of the snapshots which I took using this device. With bigger pixels and enhanced camera AI, the rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE adjusts to pull in light even when it's dark so that your shots come out to be detailed and colorful. It also shoots multiple frames at once, processing them into one clear nighttime photo. Okay, so as I have told you earlier that the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a 5G connectivity, that is the 5G support, but you can even get the most out of it. That is, you can even stream, share and game in the real time with no lag whatsoever when you are connected to a 5G network, as the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor which lets you to do a smooth gaming experience. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus Infinity O display that has barely their bezels surrounding the flat edges and a small punch hole for the camera in front. Meanwhile, a more immersive screen that makes your gaming and streaming and video calling experience more fruitful and fun. With a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Infinite O display and with a punch-hole front camera in front of this smartphone makes this smartphone look quite premium. Samsung claims that the screen that they have provided in this device is twice as faster as any other smartphone screens. The Super AMOLED display refreshes at a super smooth 120Hz rate to keep action clear and touch response fast. Whether you are just scrolling down the timeline or going through your gallery, the screen moves quickly with less shudder. You can even take full advantage of the fast data speeds and cloud-based content with the latest S20 chipset innovation and the 8GB of RAM that this phone has. This device is also rated IP68 for water and dust resistant. This phone stands up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. So it's fine to keep on playing and capturing if your phone gets a little wet. Okay, so if you live in Kolkata, then you can definitely buy this particular device from the Samsung Smart Plaza itself, which is the Fundamental Electronics situated at Baliganj Fari. We personally bought it from there, and also I will be providing all the details in my description box down below. You guys can check it out. Okay, so if you want to purchase it from that shop, then you can also get some special discounts and exciting deals also. And you can even purchase it from the official Samsung online store as well. Overall, I would like to inform you all that you can definitely buy this device as it is worth buying. You guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this particular smartphone for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.